Hello, class. So, good news. If you have made it to today's video, that means you have made it to your last day of science class for the week. And even better news is that the next time you come to class, I will be here. So, I want to go over the directions for your last class. So this video would apply to Thursday, my D block class, and then Friday for A, C, and E. The directions are the same, so I'm just going to use Thursday's page to go over your assignment for today. So what you are going to do today is you're actually going to learn a little bit about Pluto. So while Pluto is the planet that is beyond Neptune in the solar system, and it's no longer considered a planet, we never want to forget about poor Pluto. So today what you're going to do is you're going to watch a short informative video about Pluto in order to understand some of Pluto's features and characteristics. And you're also going to hear an explanation of why Pluto is now considered a dwarf planet. So you're actually going to be watching, like I said, a short video, and you're going to answer some questions from the video. And if you're done with everything from this week, and I mean everything, you may play some academic approved games, and that is your treat for having completed all of your work. So let me explain your job a little bit more clearly, and then I'm going to give you as much time as possible to work. So I know my videos have been long. I'll keep this short and sweet. You're going to need your research notebook. You're going to need video access, which you can find here. And then you'll also need earbuds, AirPods, headphones, Beats, whatever it is that you have. And that will be for the video. You actually have two options for watching the video, you guys. You can watch it alone with your own Beats or headphones. Or you and a friend or a small group of 3 can move to a back area of the classroom. You can sit on the carpet if you'd like, or maybe go out in the hallway if you wanted to watch it aloud with a friend. So what you're going to do is you are going to first update the table of contents in your research notebook, and this is called Poor Pluto, and this will be on page 8. At that point, you are going to obtain the questions from your substitute, and you will glue them onto page 8 in your notebook. And I just realized I actually don't have those pulled up here. Give me one moment. I want to show you what the questions actually look like. Okay, and here they are. This page has been trimmed to fit onto your research notebook page. If it doesn't, you may trim it if you would like, but just please don't cut off the bottom. That's where your illustration's going. So these 12 questions are actually in order as the video plays. So notice there's not a lot of space provided for your answers, and that just means I'm not asking you to write essays for these questions. Okay, just answer the question. It doesn't necessarily have to be complete sentences for this. I just want you to get the information down. So here's what you'll do. I suggest after you have glued the questions into your notebook, and this is a really good skill for any type of reading or writing, always preview the questions by reading each one before you even start. So you have in your head an idea of the type of information that you're looking for or that you're listening for. So I would read all the questions so you have an idea of what you're listening for. And then you're going to click this link right here to play the Pluto video. So this is from National Geographic's website. And as soon as the video loads, you will play it. And let's see, I can't remember how long it is. Well, it's not very long. I think it's about 5 minutes. And then you have a couple of options for how you'll answer the questions. So knowing that the questions are in order, and if you've already previewed the questions, you can choose to first watch the video, then go back and answer all the questions. Or you can watch the video, and when you see an answer to your question on the screen, pause it, write your answer down, and then continue playing the video. So when you have finished all of the questions, add an illustration of Pluto at the bottom of the page that includes appropriate colors that you've seen in the video, and that will happen down in this space right here. And then once you have done that and you've completed your self-assessment down here, you are done for science class for the week. However, you will only know if you're done with science class for the week if you have answered yes to these 4 questions, okay? This is sort of your overall self-assessment since I've been gone, and these are the things that I'm going to be looking at when I return on Tuesday. First of all, have you completed the 6 questions in your digital notebook, Activity 3, Part A? That is this. That's taking you way back to last Friday or Thursday if you're D-blocked. Have you accurately and completely colored the solar system picture on page 5 of your research notebook? That was also last week. Have you completed the terrestrial planets and gas giants charts in your notebook? And that was what you've worked on this week, and that would be these 2. And then, lastly, have you answered all of the questions about Pluto and added your illustration on page 8 of your research notebook? Boys and girls, if you've done all of those things, you have completed all of your tasks. I have been hearing amazing things about you all from your substitutes. I'm proud of you, and I am really looking forward to seeing everybody on Tuesday. So enjoy your long weekend. Remember, there's no school on Monday. And I hope that those of you that are celebrating Rosh Hashanah have a wonderful start to your new year. I cannot wait to see you guys on Tuesday. Have a great weekend.